Hello, I'm here today at 3503 Desoto Drive in the Harbour Heights section of Punta Gorda. This is a delightful little 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow on a saltwater canal with sailboat access to the Peace River. Peace River is just 228 yards down the canal from this house. You could almost throw a rock. House has been nicely updated. You'll find it inside to be nice and open. Laminate floors throughout the living room and bedrooms. And here we stand in the living room. You can see the kitchen behind me, and behind that, very nice open family room, bright and airy. So let's take a walk through here and take a look at the bedrooms. One bedroom here in the front of the home. Good sized closet over there. The second bedroom here in the rear. Nice comfortable size. Again, a closet there. The third bedroom, we'll see in a minute, is actually located off the garage. Nicely updated bathroom. New toilets, tile floor, tile tub surround. Looks very nice. And then we'll walk through back here through the living room to the kitchen. And you can see granite tile, granite counters, tile floors, lots of cabinet space, both above and below the sink. All the major appliances, and you can see again lots of cabinet space in this kitchen, and it feels nice and open as well. Here we are in the family room, and you can see windows all around. Open those blinds and you've got the canal right outside there. You can see the pergo wood floor here. And here is a very nice feature of this home. Again, you're on the canal, and look at that. You've got your very own boat ramp. Canal is just a couple hundred yards from the Peace River. So here's the garage. It's been used kind of as a rec room. And then off the garage here is a very neat little either mother-in-law type suite, third bedroom with private bath, or a wonderful office area. Washer and dryer hookup is here in the bath. And again, you'll see the tile surround, upgraded toilets and cabinets. So let's take a little bit more of a look outside the house. We'll go back through here through the garage. And take a look here in the rear yard. Unfortunately, I won't be able to see all the way down the canal. But what you can see is that there are some pretty sizable boats. So there's deep water in this canal. There are no bridges to the open Peace River, although if you wanted to go to the Gulf, you'd have to contend with the highway bridges, which are both 75 and 41, both about 40-some feet high. And you can see that fella down there doesn't seem to have any problem. Got a nice yard. Plenty of room here to either put up a storage area, perhaps to put a pool, opening through that door in the back. So, all in all, a very nice home at a very nice price in a very nice area. If you'd like more information, feel free to give me a call anytime. Thanks for watching.